Babe, the alarm. It's 6:30. Time to get up.
Yo, Dad, can you pick me up at 5:30 after school? I have rehearsal today.
Hey, babe.
It's a big scene, you know.
Think you can stop at Lowe's on the way home?
It's gonna be cool.
Today
Can you
from
pick
work?
me up after school at 5:30?
Hey,
Dad, can I go to a party this Saturday? It's at Lady Cloud. It's gonna be cool. I already missed two, and you know this is the
Can
third
I
one.
fix
And those
a
my people,
Wi-Fi?
You know, I gotta show up for
because
them.
the Wi-Fi is
Can I
not
go?
working.
Lily,
Yo, Dad, can I
stop
borrow your
jumping
I need
red?
on
to
the bed.
do some
Nike
homework
shoes?
on
No
the
more
red
Lilies
shirt,
jumping
but I don't
on the
have-
bed.
I just need
Remember what
to,
happened
like,
to the monkeys?
get something
Just
done.
look
They
good,
fell
Johnny.
off and bumped their heads. So no more Lilies
And,
jumping on the
Dad,
bed.
what's the
there ain't
weather
any
outside?
chicken left in the fridge.
Wake up in the morning and I pass the first test. We want you red dog. I pass them like the lead test. The last thing I need right now is the free fest. I had them stomping mad like they were stepping in the Greek fest. It's Ray Fideezy, I'm a pro in this game. I water MCs cause I've been growing this game. You ain't been blessed if you never heard of me, because the track is so fat it needs a lap band surgery. Now who's the biggest loser? You wanna take it to the streets and I'm the biggest bruiser. And if it doesn't sound like Red Dog is rapping for the Christians, y'all forgot that Jesus used to whip them all with switches. Money changes, train your prophets, wanna danger. Strangers claim to rep the savior, born in mangers and then drain ya. In other words, they all about the money, son. I ain't laughing, playboy, this ain't funny, son. I got the manner when I lead with the staff. Double up on your hearing, cut that mouth in half. I'm a full-grown lion, you're a newly born cub. I've been rapping since you was in the 4-H club. Follow the leader and then dine with the king. Kraft couldn't make all the cheese I bring to the equation, but in moderation. You can follow these words, son, with no hesitation, cause I'm a franchise player with the champions ring. Let me quarterback this thing and I'll take you all the way to the big game. Your life won't be the same, cause I'm a franchise player with the champions ring. Let me quarterback this thing and I'll take you all the way to the big game. Straight to the Hall of Fame. And to the ladies, please listen to your man. If he's real and he's righteous and he's relevant, yeah, he might just be the one for you to know where leadership comes from. Yeah, too many people wanna lead instead of submit. It's trying to play the Wii on the Xbox dish. You can't read it, can't play it, can't recognize it or rewind. I started looking good, now it's time to try to find it. Get with me, baby, and I take it to the next level. Temptation comes, you gotta run from the devil. I'm sick of haters trying to hate me, really wanna be me. You can have first pick, cause you never ever beat me. I make a mix up teams like they did at Post. Wanna make a game, but you own the song. I fight giants, build a temple in Zion, but I look to heaven, so I can think of you beat my Facebook out. You check my Instagram and see if my faith flicker, but I'm still a man. Built around this, you can't get it like that. I just get it like this, you can't get it like that. It's real easy, baby, and I'm rolling with the spirit partner. Just when you thought you had me, that's when I got you. Doesn't really take a profit for me to say this. T's built around me like I'm Anthony Davis, cause I'm a franchise player with the champions ring. Let me quarterback this thing and I'll take you all the way to the big game. Your life won't be the same, cause I'm a franchise player with the champions ring. Let me quarterback this thing and I'll take you all the way to the big game.